Oh, you let it get nastier?
Yeah, basically.
It could have been worse, like you said. It's like you said. Too funny, too funny. Let's see. Oh, it's 8:30. I didn't even realize. I still ain't taking nothing right now. I'm still setting up my stream on YouTube. But yeah, we rejecting out of here and coming down. No bottom wig or top wig. Let's see. His live stream playlist. Maybe. This is such an easy day too, which is gonna make me mad. The fact that it's so easy. Just act
Everything's so
right.
clean, bro.
Just act right, bro. Please.
It's like either the
Put
buyer
everything.
sells clean.
Yeah, exactly. I'll do the analysis in a second. I'm just finishing setting up the stream. Oh man. Yeah, this is as textbook as it gets of a day, and I'll explain why in a second. All right. These over here, this over here, here. Boom. Boom. Let's see. Cool. Right. Anyway, so we finally got one candle to close bearish after this crazy run up. But ultimately, the direction is still bullish, just with the trend. Like, trend is your friend. But considering I'm a scalper, I can take moves in bearish markets, bullish markets, ranging markets. It really doesn't matter. So at the end of the day, this daily candle can either be respecting this low and making its way up to continue the direction it's been on, or it could be making a top wick to come down and start correcting some of these moves to the left over here. The same way things go up is the same way things can come down. So I then go to the 4 hour time frame and I'll say, okay, so the 4 hour is kind of what I was talking to Roger about. We had this candle close above everything to the left over here. So like I say, this candle can be making its way down for a bottom wick to flip up and break its own high, fill this wick, and continue for the rest of the day. We just really don't know. But all we got to do is wait on candle confirmation. So I start marking up mostly on the 1 hour time frame. So I'll go to the 1 hour over here. The 1 hour is showing me that we did actually get a closure under here. And look where price is coming into before rejecting out of it. Price is perfectly coming up right now to reject out of this resistance to the left over here and over here. So, you know, I always say price is a repetition of itself. What did it do right here? Came down. What did it do right here? Came down. What did it do right here? Came down. So y'all know me with price action. A lot of times I can take an entry on the break of this low right here. Okay, you could. That's not a terrible position. But the best position is under all supports. So this is a support, and this candle has no top wick right here. So it's fallen this much in the last 5 minutes, which is 70 some odd pips. So this could be breaking a low to continue up, or it could finally be making this move. We just don't know yet. But I would essentially say that I'm waiting on sales below here, because from here to here is cool. Like, it's not bad. It's 35 to 40 pip range right in there. But like I said, no top wick on this 30-minute candle, 835. No top wick on this 30-minute candle right here. And look under this. Under this. Clean candles to the left is what I'm looking for. Under this. So yes, the flip of this 1 hour is cool to come on down into that 15-minute support area, which I look to the left and it's a rejection right here. It's a rejection right here. So you're playing the odds that it's going to go ahead and fill that, which it might. And if it does, that's perfectly fine because we may just go ahead and start coming down and down and down and down. So if this can close under here at like 845, I would definitely be open to that, or 9. Probably targeting, I look to the left to find my ranges, find my next zones, probably somewhere into here where price rejected out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All these times right here. And then kind of respect it right here. And under there, that is also a 75, 80 pip range. So I don't have to squeeze that in there if I know that I can just simply wait on a closure under here. Wait for a wick up to retest the broken support right here. And at that point, just trying to take 25, 30, 35 pips down. Let's see. And I guess long targets can be somewhere like under here. Like if I didn't get an entry under there, then I'd be waiting on a closure like under there, like that. Same story, taking it down into here. So we'll see. And then as far as buys, I'm cool with using the same support and resistance areas. So support, the floor, resistance, the ceiling, floor, ceiling, floor, ceiling. So that being said, I'll wait on a closure above here, anticipating that with volume, even though we kind of have some little mess right there, that we should be able to fill the clean candles right there. That is a 150, 160 pip range up. Even if you want to go to these support levels right here, 75, 45. It's a lot of range above. So waiting on a closure above, a retest of the broken resistance to go to the next zone. And then that would also be, if that were to happen, the 4 hour, grabbing that bottom wick, coming back up, re-breaking its own high, likely breaking the previous 4 hour high. And with volume, we know what happens when candles break wicks. They start to get moving. So that's really all I'm looking for. Long targets on that probably would be like, so more realistically, I'll move this even downward a little bit, just kind of where these supports were right there, and long targets up here. So right now, as y'all know, every time we come here, for real, just chilling in the range. Just chilling in the range. Price ain't really done nothing. It broke below a little bit right there, came back up, coming down. So let price make a decision on where it wants to go and then act accordingly. Because under here, you got all this clean range. So why try to jump the gun right there? So that's my ideas and my thoughts. My ideas. Roger, was that good?
Oh yeah, that was perfect.
Sounds good. Let's see, did you see that drop on yesterday is what Melinda asked me. Did I see the drop yesterday? I did see the drop yesterday. I did see the drop yesterday. It happened late, 12 o'clock. I want to. Roger, no, I know.
It would have been nice.
Would have been nice. Appreciate y'all for jumping on, liking, subscribing, everything in between. Keep showing the love. Thank you. Bruh. And it's funny because let me see who's on here actually. Oh, Daryl isn't on here yet, or if he's gonna get on at all. But bro, trader buy is getting easier. So for whatever reason, the target on the 150K for payout number 3 is 3,000. If you bought your account before September 12th, they changed their rules. But with that being said, that's a 150K account where I got to make 2%.
Damn.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And then on 100K, I got to make 2,500. So that's still only 2.5%. No. Sorry. Let's see. 100K, I got to make, 2,500, which is 2.5%. and the 150K got to make 3,000. Yep.
It hits.
So I know, bro. I know. And then I got them to move my data over on TradeCopia for Lucid as well. So now all I need is 4,500 on these. As you can see, the consistency got to say 20% though. So what I'm likely to do is I'm probably gonna just take 600 a day, like go 3 for 20 every day, honestly. And like that's a little light on here, but it also keeps me honest. So like on a bad day, I'm not seeing like hella drawdown because I gotta basically make on TradeCopia. I gotta make 3,000 before losing 7,903. And on the 100K, got to make 2,500 before losing 6,415. I'll play my odds on that every day, especially going lighter. So that's affording me the opportunity to go a little lighter on my risk. Thankfully, it ain't nothing like getting in the trenches for that first payout. But after the first one, it goes down by so much on these other prop firms. With top one, they still is 654, but with these motherfuckers, it's 6-3. I'm like, oof.
Damn.
6% for the first one on TradeCopia, 3% for the second one, and 2% for the third one. I'm like, damn. Y'all boys giving away money. So it's smooth as you start adding accounts. I would tell my homeboys like what they be like, what other ones you like other than top one? I was like, this one's smooth too. This one's definitely smooth too. Oh yeah, Melinda, that's what we focus on. That's what we mostly focus on. Everybody really in the prop firm game, honestly. I just withdrew yesterday 19,000 something. 19,450. Yeah, 19,450. So you'll see the payouts 3,000 times 5. All requested October 8th, approved October 8th, hit my bank account last night. And then TradeCopia requested 2,500 paid, requested 3,000 paid, and I got 3 more accounts that hopefully after today will reach the profit targets as well. I just need 18 pips on a 3. So we'll see if we can get it. And if I don't, I will try again Tuesday, I guess. Let's y'all still there?
Yes, sir.
All right, something happened with my Wi-Fi. My bad. All right, let me share that again. I don't know if the live stream is still on. Nah, I gotta go connect it again. All good. Live stream. Is it still on? It might be. Let me see. Okay, it looks like it's still on. Dun, dun. Lost Wi-Fi for a second, but I'm back. I don't need that to happen while I'm in a trade, you know.
Man, what?
Okay.
All right, we good. Man, this don't look bad, but I don't love it enough. I'd rather get under here or take it under there and see it's pulling back. It could be rejecting this little area right there. It's too many unknowns for me to take that right now specifically. Like I said, if it were to close under here, I would like this way more than I like trying to squeeze this. Under here is super clean down into there, down into there. Like if you trying to get under there, your real stop loss is really up here, and you trying to squeeze down into there, not knowing if it could be rejecting out of there. It could be rejecting out of there. So it could go though. I wanted to. I wanted to go. It closed perfectly below. I wanted to go and clear all this out and close somewhere down here at 9 a.m. That's what I want. That's what I want.
Plain and simple.
Clean and simple. So it can go ahead and clear out this little 40 pip range right here. If it falls, great. Whoop-de-doo, 30 pips. But I'm trying to get it to really go. So there it goes, potentially. Come on, bro. Give us that closure at 9. That'd been my 20, I think. Tonio's 20 for sure. Nah, 18. Nah, I wouldn't have caught that. I wouldn't have got what I needed. I know the spreads would have been on some BS and all. Now you sitting in it like, bro, do I sit in it past this top wick? Do I keep holding in it? Nah. Let's
Nah,
see.
ain't gonna be one of them days.
No, sir. Not today. Bro, I'm tired. I'm tired. But appreciate you subscribing. Freesley. I think that's how you pronounce it. See the little crown next to your name now. That's love. Up to 362 subscribers now. Dope. But yeah, that's Melinda, to answer your question in depth. When I first started this year, I was making pretty good money trading my personal funds. But then I had a great month and I made like 3,000 or 3,500. I said, damn, that's good, but I need more. So I was like, if I'm willing to risk 500 a day, 600 a day, 700 a day, then I can risk 3, 4, 500 on a prop firm account. And then the rest is history after that, honestly. All right, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it, man. I want you to hold this line, man. What you say, Roger? Right there.
Yeah, just right
If
there,
it
bro.
closed right here, bro, and gave a 15, 20, 25 pip wick up, I will have an entry on a break of that low at 9 a.m. All I need is 20 pips on a 3 lot because my target is 46.76 to get under the consistency of 20%. So I'm about $520 away. So I really only need like 17, 18 pips. Brandon, I'm not looking at the 5 minute. I'm not looking at the 5. Not today. Not right now. It's good though. It could be, but I'd rather just wait on the highest time frame confirmation. Because the 5 minute right here closed below, and then it came up. But now the 5 minute is clean, but we close to the end of the 1 hour candle. It's so much range, bro. Like I'm not really worried about it. Can close down here if it wants to, honestly. But I'm waiting on 1 hour closure. That's the plan. That's the plan I'm rocking with. I go with what makes me successful mostly. What does my data now show, Roger? I'm not taking break of all time highs no more.
Can't forget that.
So I'm gonna wait on a 1 hour closure below the range. If it wants to tank down here, 180 pips in the next 10 minutes, that's fine. But I will simply be waiting on a 1 hour closure. Which is a 30-minute closure, which is a 15-minute closure. If it drives, it drives. ID. That's correct. When I'm staring at 18 pips from another 8 grand, I don't deviate. I'm not gonna deviate from what has gotten me to where it's got me. But yes, when there's a lot of volume, yes, this definitely could wick up and drive down the 5 minute time frame. It definitely could. It drives, it drives. But as I always say, your technical stop loss is 57 pips up if it were to close below. So let's just play this out hypothetically. So you got a perfect wick up. You can use this high or you can use the previous high. When it flips down, it should fill this wick right here. It should. So let's see if using the 5-minute time frame in this instance will work out. I'm not in any position. I'll be waiting until 9. Now, this is plenty enough to use this current candle top wick, because if it breaks this low, it got no reason to come back up and break its own high, like I always say. So it's about 31, 32 pips. You're anticipating that when the 5-minute flips, if the 5-minute flips, is going to fill this wick right here, which is already 15 pips. If it breaks a little below that, it should kind of come down and make a little spike down for another 10 to 15. That'd be 30 pips. So we'll see. We'll definitely see.
9 minutes. Come on.
Exactly. Exactly.
I like it's doing all this right now.
Exactly. That's what I'm saying. Like, I'm not really worried about the 5-minute time frames unless I'm in it. Now, I'll manage on the 5-minute, but I'm not looking for an entry on the 5-minute or a closure on the 5-minute unless it's super like volatile. Like yesterday was dumb volatile. So you could have plenty of entries on the 5 and the 15. But if it's doing all this in the last 8 minutes of this 1 hour candle, it didn't do nothing for all that time up there. And then already has fallen 75, 80 in the last 10 minutes. So, I mean, I'm good right now. At least I'm good right now. But like I said, when I need 20 pips, 18 more specifically, but I'm not taking nothing until I like it. Until I love it. Because, and there's a resistance to the left right here. So this could be simply rejecting out of it. What did it do when it got right here? Rejection here. So you don't know. Let's wait on a 1 hour closure to close below this, because when it closed below this, came down. Wick came down. Wick came down. This wicked up, came up. So I'm gonna wait until I get a confirmation, because this motherfucker can pull all the way back and everybody be looking sad. So the move to be caught was kinda the break of this low with no top wick. Kinda, I guess, if you really want to squeeze something out of there. Like, yeah, see, man, hell no. Because this is a support right there. It pushed 40, but it had no top wick. You know what this is really looking like? No, fake out. Closure below. Came down. Rejection. Closure back above. I'll see. Especially if this closes bullish. That's not my A plus, but we'll see.
Yeah, but it is a good fake out.
Exactly, because closure below right here, closure below the support, came down without a top wick, rejection out of this support right here, closure back above. What happened the last 1, 2, 3 times price closed above this same support right here? We came up, up, and up. And I wouldn't even be targeting too much, really kind of up into where price rejected out of the last time, right into here. It got to leave room though. If it like start filling up into here, it make me a little scary. But if it stayed down here and left like a 50 pip range, I may consider that for sure. But I ain't doing nothing until 9. It's like playing the range game a little bit. Like, it's rejecting out of support. Even if it's a top wick on the 30-minute, you're looking at the higher time frames, which is the 1 hour. 1 hour closing, rejecting here. 4-hour candle still open. Could be making a bottom wick to continue up. So it's a lot of things that can be going on right now. Let's see. Like I said, if it just keep on filling up, there ain't nothing I could do. honestly. It's just making the top wick like these candles tend to do. I liked, it's probably getting a little too tight for me right now. I liked this to here more than I like above here to here. Because if you close above there, you still got a resistance right there. It's a lot of little intricate details that go into it. So let's see, because we got 4 minutes, 20 seconds left of this 1 hour closure. And it's like in a weird little spot right now. Like if this candle closes doji like this after rejecting the highs and rejecting the lows, boy, I might need a 15-minute candle. But we'll see.
I wish that shit just came back down.
You said what?
I wish it came back down.
Yeah. Make sure my copier set up. I'd be scary. So okay, everything is green, 1-to-1. All my connections are set up. Oh man. I don't know. Something about trading in this little range is making me a little iffy and skeptical. And I'm really like trying not to jump the gun because my ideas are valid. It's just like, and all I need is 18. Like I said, like hell, the wick fill damn near is 18. Like this is a prime fake out. Rejection out of here. 1 hour closing bullish, albeit light bullish, but bullish. 15-minute closing bullish. 5-minute candle. If that closes bearish, I don't know. But I like all my time frames to kind of tell the same thing. And that's the only one, the 30-minute, I believe, that's making me like, eh. Let's see what Tonio on today, man. Tonio, what you got for me today, brother?
What up?
What you got for me today, man?
Man,
You was on my
hell.
mind. You was on my mind heavy yesterday afternoon, bro. I had to just reach out to you, bro. I had to just touch base. That's all.
Yeah, man.
I don't like where we closing. I don't like where we're closing and how we're closing. Because if we close in the middle of this shit, it's just no man's land a little bit. You can potentially, yeah, no. I'm about to say the shit closes bearish. You can potentially like squeeze this, I guess. But nah, I'll wait on something more obvious. But Tonio, what you like today, bro?
Um, Probably. I think I like. I don't know. I think I like buys better.
I'm wondering if it just grabbed this liquidity to the downside. If this 15-minute closes like this, it's not bad. But if it don't close like that, then it's terrible. But you like buys better above here, or like you talking about up here, like above all this?
Above.
Yeah, at least
Above
above
all
this.
that.
You talk so essentially 150.
You gonna fry me.
150 pips away from where we at right now.
I mean, it's clean above there though. That's why I said that.
This 1 hour about to close below 5 seconds potentially. 30-minute closing below right there. 15-minute closing bullish. Oh, this is terrible. That is horrendous. That
I don't know.
closed respecting here and coming down with no bottom or no top. Yeah.
9:15.
Looking like a 915. Looking like a 915. Unless you want to take this little top wig up. There we go. But you just never know how much it's gonna go up. If it so now, same case though. If it closed like at 915, like above there, that wouldn't be bad. But what I really want is with the way we just closed, bearish on the 1 hour, bearish on the 30 minute. If this can go ahead and just close under here now, that wouldn't be bad. All jokes aside, just close under there. Just go ahead and do it. And I'm on the 15 minute now, y'all, because I'm waiting on the 9:15 closure. So whatever time frame I'm waiting on, that's the time frame I'm pretty much operating on. So this is jumping around, going up, going down. Just let it do what it do. Just let it do what it do. But go stretch, go do some push-ups, go use the bathroom, do whatever you got to do till 9:15. Because think that at 9:15 or 9:30, that something could be brewing. I don't know what yet, but I think we could be good. Okay. So you had the 1 hour close below there. Not much of a top wick on the 1 hour, as y'all see, but we used to that as of late. It's a 14 pip top wick with a bullish 15-minute closure. You got this. So what I was looking at, and that's funny because I was actually looking at the 5 minute. This closed back below this. So when you got this slight wick up, albeit small, break of this low, coming down to this support. But that's once again a super scalper ass move. Like if you really just locked into the 5 minute candles like this, you will see closure above, closure no top wick, closure back below, 5 minute candle wicks up, breaks at this low. But it's better to just wait. Better to wait. So I can do all this at once, but I'm waiting
Yeah, it look like a
on the candle to
9:15.
close. Yes, sir. I would love a 9:15 closure around 33.97. Roger trading like his life depend on this one.
Man, what?
Boy on it like a hawk. Boy on it like a hawk, man.
On my laptop
Satan,
today
stay
too.
away from us today, please. Please.
I need a day
Bro,
off.
yesterday I went back and rewatched the stream. They activated me and I started off negative 15 pips. Bruh, I would have raised hell. It came in and get me after. It did come in to where it should have afterwards, but I started looking at it. Then it went in a little bit of profit. I saw a negative 25, bro, before I could blink. I'm like, what's going on, bro? I'm talking about I changed the song real quick. I come back to like negative 870. I'm like, okay. Couldn't do nothing.
Yeah, yesterday was stressful, bro.
And then you want to cap it all off with the night session, huh? I'm gonna make an award. I'm gonna get a Fiverr rep to make an award for y'all. Who needs the belt of the day? It was me a couple days ago or Monday, but it was Brandon yesterday day. It was you yesterday night. I know Tonio want that belt. He gonna nah Tonio. He playing it safe. What he said he want to eat communion. That boy said he trying to eat some communion.
All
Price is
right,
so much range down.
stay right here, man.
Right, bro. Just please don't run and limit our range down. It just keep on flirting with that little previous 1 hour low. I don't like that. I need 18. It's not that hard. 18. Tonio payout loading for sure.
He talking about stay right here till 9:15.
Hey, look, all no joke side or all joke side, 5 minute just closed below. It's probably gonna go ahead and come on down. I ain't gonna let's say if it break lows, it's coming down. If it breaks lows, it's definitely coming down. But I'm waiting on 9:15 because I'm waiting on at least a 15-minute closure. Those who jump the gun, they get sad real quick. Daryl, I was waiting on you, brother. You ain't missed none yet. I see you unmuted yourself.
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Now I can.
No. Okay. Hey, what's going on?
Nothing. But I have some stuff I want to tell you about Tradeify. Good
What you got?
news. So after payout one on 150K, you know how it goes down to 4,500 profit target, right?
Okay.
For payout three, if you bought it before September 12th, now I'm not sure when you bought it. I don't know if you bought it that long ago. But man, payout three, if you purchased before September 12th, bro, why is my target now 2%? Crazy. I was like, oh, y'all giving money away. So crazy. So on 150K for payout target number three is 3,000. And then on my 100K is 2,500. I was like, oh, y'all just changed the game. Because now I'm going hella low risk. I'm so used to
See what
having to
I
make 9,000. And you tell me I can now make 3 and get paid? They done fucked up.
see when I bought this. Because I can't remember.
Because I mean, I don't know what the second payout target is. Let's see, what is the profit target number 3 for a Lightning funded account purchased after September 12th? Oop, I spelled September wrong. It's all good. AI is so crazy. So 150K. Okay. So if you purchase after September 12th, it's 4,500 for all the payouts proceeding, which is still not bad compared to 9.
Yeah, I missed that one. I got it on September 17th.
Ah,
Ah,
it's all good though. I mean, with the like, truthfully, it's good and bad because when you talking about you only got to make 3,000, your drawdown is getting real small. It's getting real small. So like, for example, now I'll use the example of like 150K. It's great that, or 150K that I passed. Let's see for the second one. So, I mean, it's only at, I say only lightly, 7903, and I got to get to 3,000. So I guess it's not terrible, but like that, I do like the buffer. I actually enjoy the buffer of having to make more because it's all just percentages, especially with the trade copier. Like if you're not looking at it, you're not even thinking about it. But yeah, so man, it was 3,000. I was like, what? And then on
one more
Lucid,
time on why you enjoy the buffer. Let's explain that again.
while I enjoy my buffer, because think about my top one accounts. I had to make 6%, 5%, and then 4%. So when I was withdrawing 3,500 on top one, that's a big chunk you take out of 9,000. So I had to make another 6,000. So I was left with 6,500 plus 6,000. Take out another 3,500. Then I had to make 4,500. So it was like 7,500 or 8,000 plus 4,500. So at the end of it, when you do get to a live account, you do start with a pretty decent sized balance. It's not bad. Like it's great having to make less in the meantime, but if your risk is on point, it shouldn't matter if you got to make an extra $1,000. It ain't really that big of a deal. Like, and then like I told you, shoot, Tradeify is smooth because they only make you make 4,500 for that second payout. That's pennies according to or in comparison to 9,000. 9,000, like I was telling folks yesterday, is a climb, bro.
It's a climb. That's a climb.
It's a climb. Like you get to 6 or 7, and then that lasts 2. Oh my gosh. That lasts 2 is something. So regardless whether it's 4,500 or 3,000, it ain't bad. It ain't bad. So these prop firms be changing their rules up because they know people it's too sweet. So So now, thankfully, I purchased my accounts when I did. So let's see. I got these July 21st. The only accounts I purchased from them. I hang my hat on that, not having to buy so many accounts and making consistent returns. So from however much I spent, I think it was like around 2,000, maybe a little over that. I've already been able to pull in like 22, 23,000 with another 8 to come today, if and when I hit. So let's see. Where'd you say you wanted to close, Roger?
This shit is stupid.
And bro, it's just playing pinball. Watch how quick I go to this 30-minute candle if I don't get my closure. I would say, well, I guess I'm waiting on 9:30. And then Lucid, Daryl, was super smooth. I requested and got approved and got it sent directly to my bank all within the span of like 30, 45 minutes. Oh, very smooth, very smooth.
45 minutes?
45 minutes. I requested it like 5:30, 5:45. By 6:30, it was in my account.
All right. That's what I'm talking about. Come on, Lucy.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Yep.
How's your payouts with what's the other one? Padilla?
Per dia, I am at 1983, 1834, and 1828. So I'm really just slow playing these accounts, to be honest. Just trying to keep it consistent. 467, 223, 327, 227, 312, and 269. So just really playing that tight. 6 trading days, you got to get to 10. After you do reach to 3,000, you can pull out the whole thing, or you can pull out as much as you want. Um, at this rate, it's looking like I'll be right around 3,000 to 3,500 during my time, like that I reach the 10 days. So I'll probably pull out like 12 to 1,500 per account, maybe. So we'll see.
No, I meant to ask you, when you go live, when you get a live account,
Mhm.
when are you able to keep your other ones that are still simulated?
They take your highest balance and they give you that one account. So that's why after log in,
They take all your stuff.
they take all of it. Like I said, it's a little nasty because let's see. So after I withdrew my last profits from this, it was right around 9,000. So they just made it simple and gave me a $9,000 starting balance.
Mhm.
And that was all she wrote. So yeah, they take them all. They take every prop has different rules, and I gotta like look into all of them. But I know that's how Top One specifically does it. Tradeify, if I'm not mistaken, don't hold me to this, but I think they take. Let me see. I can just ask the. I can just ask. Let's see. If I have 5 accounts, if I have 5 Lightning accounts, what? Well, I'll say 550K Lightning accounts. 150K Lightning accounts. What will be my starting balance of a live account?
You're either gonna be a live trader or a simulated trader, but you can't be both with these folks.
I know. So your remaining balanced, we calculate the lesser of your remaining balance on each account or 10% of the account size. Like, okay. So if each account has $10,000 remaining after the payout, then 10,000 times 5 for them. So that's not bad on 150K. That's not bad at all. But bro, over here, it's nasty. I'm with a 9 trading ones. But if Tradeify is saying I can do 50,000, shoot, I'll trade 2s and 3s. Happily. This ain't bad. Fake out, fake out. That's not terrible. Mm. Let's see. If I can get a better bottom wick, I may try my hand at this. Just because you done came down twice and rejected out of here. It's obviously showing you signs that it wants to come up. I just need a little bit more of a bottom wick than 13 pips. You really can even use this high. 1 hour, 30 minute, 15 minute. Let's see. That's still only 13 pips. If you use that low, that'd be 28. Let's see. Okay. I'm gonna use that high as my buy. Oop, late to the party. 44,005.6. So I'm anticipating that after we came down twice, came up. Yes, I see this resistance right here on the 15 minute. I'm really not too worried about that. I think it's gonna go beyond that, quite honestly, based on a price action of like the 1 hour and the 4 hours still open. Like I think we got to honestly start pushing up. So that's just my idea here. We just keep re-breaking and filling. That is a all right. Let's see. All right, I'm gonna drag this down, drag this up here. All right. Come on now. Oh, I played my phone. All right, I need 18. 18. Come on, man. I'm anticipating that it's just a fake out, push up, fill in the range.
I ain't hear no music though.
What'd you say?
I don't hear no music though.
You don't hear the music?
Nah.
Oh, damn. I ain't playing music this whole time. There we go.
There you go.
Come on, man. Please. I'll just put my buys or my sell stop under there. Under this candle. If it start flipping down, it is what it is. I've been going win, loss, win, loss, win. I just want to win, man. Just a win. Please. As it keeps re-breaking its own highs, I'm anticipating that we should just get going. You can either go stop loss under here or stop loss back in the range. Like I always say, my stop losses are just where they are just because I trade higher risk and I'd rather protect my capital ultimately. But like I always say, you can put it down. Ooh, there we go. There we go. There we go.
Order filled.
Cool.
Order filled.
Cool. 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 Just caught 20 over here. Damn. Just caught 20 over here. And that's all I could do. Be smart. Roger, I know you didn't catch 30 on that.
Nah,
Did you say break even or are you still in?
I'm still in.
That shit hit perfect. Whew. I closed out Tonio style. I only took 14. I seen 17. I seen 20.
I tried to take, man, it's jumping around, bro. I tried to take 20.
What'd you take?
14.
Hey, listen. Hey. Well, that's gonna be another payout. Another 8,100. Just spinning. Damn. And it's so ass, Roger, because woulda, coulda, shoulda, that would have been payola.
I know, bro.
It's all good though. Be smart. Let's see. I'm out though. I'm out. I'm still. I don't know. Like I'm done obviously on prop firm side. Let's see what I made across all accounts. Yeah. Went lighter. Okay. Great 5 minute closure. Great 5 minute closure. If this I'm gonna work through this with you. And I'm gonna play the theme music. If this can break this high, oh, you golden. But is it gonna do it? Is it gonna have that follow through? Or if you scary, get out and reassess. That's the only thing you can't do. That's why I be fucking up when I be on that last trade before payola, trying to make every little trade the trade. So just be smart. Antonio, did you take a 1 or a 2? I know you took a 1 actually. I don't know why I'm asking. Because you said I got 14, you would have tried to get 14. That's what you would have wanted to get.
I'm about to call it, bro.
Yeah, it's playing around. My Tonio voice. Playing around. Oh, no. Ugh. Tonio, you took a 1?
Fuck,
Yes,
man.
sir.
Just don't close. Well, did you close it or are you holding it? You got paralysis?
I closed it, man. Fuck.
20, aim back down. That's so ass. Did you take a small loss or did you break even?
I took a loss. Damn, bro.
It's about to go. Because the thing about trading is, especially prop firm trading, the market don't care what you need. So this ain't nothing but a bottom wick on the 5 minute to likely continue up. But you just can't risk sitting in all this. Ugh, it's a terrible feeling, bro. I know it. I know it is. I really do. The market does not care. And that was a super quick scalp. Like I said, I caught 20 on my main accounts. It was playing around in my Tonio voice. So I only caught 14 on this account, for transparently speaking. So I'm going to mark this up. I'm still here, but bro, it's been a fucking long week. And I'm definitely taking Monday off. This is a little mini reset. After this next payout, that'll be 27,000 withdrawn in 24 hours. God is good. Melinda said, got it. Okay. Sorry about that. Ooh, and it's about to go. Oh, I'm playing my music for no reason.
Playing your music for me, man. You're doing that for me.
Oh, my fault. I got you. How much you up right now?
I only played a 1 today, man. I'm up 310. I'm in the same entry point.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
That's a good, I mean, it was a clear as day move. And now we breaking 30-minute highs. 1 hour filling up. 4 hours still opening, potentially flipping up. That move was just textbook. That's just textbook, right? There's not really much to say about it, but textbook. Roger, you jump back in or you chilling?
I was just about to ask that.
Because when he get quiet, that's what I'm getting.
Man, bro. That shit's so lame, man.
I know, brother.
I don't know what's about to do.
I know. Trust me, I know. It's ass.
I need some volume, bro.
Don't make today a stupid day. I'm telling you now, don't make it a stupid day. 15-minute candles. 15-minute fake out. 2 candles closed above or closed below support, then closed back in range. Entry on break of most recent 15-minute high. Shit, that's really it. Stop loss kept below entry candle. Targeted, took home 20 pips because that was all I needed for last 3 payouts. However, price ran up, came back down to about minus 10, then pushed for
I'm break even now.
the full move.
But then break the 4-hour high, man. Is it
I'm
gonna
break
go?
even now, bro. Fuck. I need a closure up on
You don't need shit. You don't need nothing. Are you break even on the day
Yeah,
completely?
yeah,
So even the minus 200 from last night.
yeah.
Oh damn! What you need now?
I need like I'm at
3,
430. So I need like
Bro.
470.
So a 2 for 21 or a 3 for like 13, 14, 15.
Thinking a 2, man, just to
Yeah, you don't want your heart thumping, bro. It ain't nothing like, because that's what made you close out.
yeah. But I need a closure up there, bro.
Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and draw it up after the fact too.
Fuck.
I know, bro. I know it could be worse. Could be worse. You know when niggas get quiet. You knew he was up to no good, Tonio. You knew he was up to no good. But no cap, Tonio, though. You on a 25K, even your little 14, 13, however many you just took, really isn't a bad day
Yeah, it's not.
in the grand scheme. Because you got to think, bro, I'm on 150K. Like, I got your account times 5, and I'm cool with taking 600. So if I'm cool with taking 600, you got to be cool with taking 120, 130, 200. You got to be cool with that too. I don't know why I'm about to say I don't know why all my accounts aren't syncing. They will. 7K. 7K. Perfection to start the month.
Do me justice.
Don't do nothing stupid.
Nah, I ain't doing nothing until I get a closure. I ain't gonna lie to you.
I know, bro. I know. I'm just giving you a hard time. Bruh, I'm all on TRADECOPIA now, by the way, Tonio.
Oh, yeah.
So, 581, 581, 581, 581, 581, 581, 581, 586, 586. So
Yeah, you good now.
that's more like it. So that's more like it. Just surpassed the 200K mark across all accounts on the year. Eden. Come on, 201. Well, more accounts are loaded. And now that all my accounts are with all my accounts are with TRADECOPIA, I don't got to go in and out of my API because I'll be having errors when they see that I got too much activity going on with different API keys. So that's good. Jamal, how many you take on that? You should have seen about 50, huh?
It dropped on me. I took 30. Call it a day.
That's not bad.
Well, I call it a trade of 30.
You just want to go low size to end the week?
Oof, fuck.
Yeah, man. I'm trying this new strategy out, man. It's been working against me. But yeah.
It's all about fine tuning. I mean, you never really gonna completely learn. It's all about growing every day. I mean, for example, like I said, I knew I was out for one mission to take home 20 pips today.
Right.
And that's what I got. So it's all about playing their game, but still form fitting it to your trading style. But let's see, it's 9:30, about to get a closure right at these resistances. It came perfectly to resistance. This was not a bad entry right there too, above that break of that. Anticipating volume to take you on up into there. How many would you have caught off of there? 35 off of that too. Oh, that's what I was doing. So, across all accounts, gotta upload this file. So it was not a great week for me on my live account, I will say. But I was playing their game with the funded accounts, which is the most important accounts ultimately. So, like I lost $100 on today, or sorry, this week on that account. But who complaining? Oh, that's not a bad opening. That's not a bad opening. It's not a bad opening.
To go from right there.
It might be a little tight. Yeah, you got to get 20, bro. And you that resistance right there is 22, 23, 24. But it should flip though. Like think of like you got nothing to the left up into here. It's 930 as a perfect 930 opening. Kind of right up into here. Right up in, even filling the wick would be 26 pips. So trade at your discretion. Everybody that's still trading. I'm done because I can't do nothing else. And it's been a long fucking week. So trade at your discretion. Use a stop loss.
I'll take the flip, Roger.
Yeah.
I'll take a micro. Let's see. MGC. Make sure I protect my profits of the day. Let's see. MGC, I'll take like a 3 on it, which would be a risk of like $90. We keep falling.
Bottom wick.
Yeah, it's a bottom wick. This is a new chart for all my people that are looking. So I'm on MGC. I don't really trade MGC often, but it's a hell of a bottom wick though. You're anticipating that once this candle closed above right here, once it flips with no top wick, it should, when it re-breaks its own high, come into there. Like I said, this is not financial advice. This is just price action. So I'm gonna set a 3 MGC. This is literally a 3, y'all. Like a 3 MGC. Nothing crazy at all. Anticipating that volume at 930. If it re-breaks its own high, it's gonna get going. But as it keeps making these lower lows, it's getting that stop loss getting fat. Cause you gotta think, you gotta flip up 50 just to get you in. So we'll see. We'll see. I got MGC, which is a 3. But the way I manage risk, if it goes minus 15 or minus 20, I will likely cut it, and that will still only be minus 40, 50, $60 to all my people watching on YouTube. I'm not risking anything anymore with my TRADECOPIA accounts. I'm done for the day on those. Done for the day. I'll close out of it completely. How about that? So let's see. I would like this to happen on this 5-minute candle. Honestly, if it does want to go ahead and flip, you got these 5-minute resistances right here, but I ain't really worried about that. I'm looking at volume, 930, price action, everything in between.
Like, damn, should I throw a 2 or a 3?
You get a 3, you only need 13. Damn.
Order filled.
Just got me in, dragging this up, dragging this down like minus 20-ish.
Order filled.
Took it. 15 pips. That's it. That's my day. That's it.
Yes, sir.
There we go.
Yeah, I don't have no choice but to make that my day. I'm at the cap.
Congratulations, Roger. I don't do no more dumb shit.
Man.
Stop.
Let me see my consistent, man. Let me see if everything good. God.
Yeah,
damn.
what you make on that? Make sure it wasn't over 600 on the day.
Nah, 591.
Good day, gang. Good day. Good day. Good day.
Yeah, I'm off Monday. I don't
Yeah, hey, look, y'all. Everybody watching, I'm off Monday.
Bro, you want to know what's crazy?
am-
I just made right at the cap. That's wild to me.
300, bro, that's the day
I made
we need.
140. I made 140 on the first one, and I just made
160
160 on the second.
What is Brandon doing? He drawing on this.
You said he drawing.
Yep,
Yeah,
consistency
you see
good,
this?
man.
Or do you
How's
see
he
it or no?
doing- Wait, how is he doing that?
I don't know if he the host or not.
God, but I don't think you understand what I just went through, bro.
I understand some dumb
Bro,
shit.
I was down.
So don't do it
800.
again.
I was down 800, and I got that shit back, man.
You was down 800 since last night.
Yeah.
But Roger though, you see what I mean? Of just like when you hit that shit, it's like it don't even fit. Like it's great, but it's just like
I'm locking this
Okay.
shit the fuck out, boy. You hear me? God damn, bro. That shit just I'm
Bruh.
done, bro.
yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. So, like I said, I wasn't even being scary. I was just more so protecting the brand, protecting the downside more than anything. But
Man,
I could have
finally
definitely
got back
gotten
to where I need. I'm finally back where I need to be.
bro. I'm telling you, it was on my mind yesterday, bro. I was like, bro, let me text my dog because something gotta shift, bro. Brandon, get this shit off the screen.
I don't even know how you
I
did
might
it.
fuck around and call out today, boy. I ain't trying to deal with nobody.
How you do
Leave
that?
Asia play
Brandon?
alone and play. Someone, hey, Roger, someone said in chat, leave Asia alone.
Man, I ain't never listen. I ain't never.
You know what a nigga say? Listen, it's about
I
to get
ain't
nasty.
never finna look at that shit again, but I promise you I ain't.
Bruh. Well, y'all, that's what.
It was moving
That's
last
how this
night.
shit should be.
It was moving after my L. Shit.
I hope everybody made
But
money.
Tonyo, I'm looking at the Asian. I'm like, let me. It was moving slow and shit. I could manage better. Next thing you know, that motherfucker volume came out of nowhere and took me out, bro.
Because when you're on the outside looking in, it looked like it's moving like a snail.
Bro, I don't know what happened last night, but volume came out of nowhere, bro.
Well, y'all boys, it's 9:30. I'm pooped. I'm whooped out. I can't take no more. I'm done till Tuesday.
Yeah, but I'm exhausted.
Those who are in the WAP, if y'all need it, we can definitely run the play and go over a little fundamentals webinar after I get a little mental break tomorrow. But this has been a week. Sometimes you just need to take that week off. Not week. I'm taking a week off in a couple weeks when we go to our honeymoon. That's what I'm doing. But 2409 across all these accounts. 2564, 2415, 2409. Perfect exit at the top. It came right into this resistance area, right up into here. Whoever's still on, be safe. Use a stop loss. Roger, what you said to me on Monday?
Man, listen here.
What you said to me? I'm gonna text you. I'm gonna text your ass after this.
Nigga, I'm finna call your ass, nigga. Fucking text. All right, boy. Yeah,
Tonio, what your balance looking like?
Back to where I was, 25,468.
Oh,
Okay, all right, bro. I need next week. I need to see a band to finish the week minimum. Can't lie to you.
Okay.
Can't lie to you. I really think, it's just me talking, I really think you can hit for that 300, 3, 4, 5 days in a row. But
I got to make up in my mind to do that.
But at the same token, that's why I can tell Roger, that's why I can tell Brandon, that's why I can tell Jamal, Daryl, everybody. You either got to go for the goose though on one trade, or you have to put that into 2 trades. So go for like 150 and 150 or 200 and 100. Like,
yeah, that's what I just did today. You can't be
jumping back and forth, because if you jump back and forth and you feel like doing something one day, you're gonna fuck your shit up, bro. I'm telling you now, because the one stop time it don't go right when you do a higher lot and then you try to make more to get that loss back, bro. It's not gonna work, bro. It never does. It never does. So like
Today
we were talking
was
about,
a good day.
commit to it. You gotta just commit to it.
Yeah.
So we'll strategize though and get it right. Melinda, I'm not sure if you still here, but it's kind of what I'm talking about, of how we like strategize, get on the phone, get on the webinars, and just really see what makes sense according to someone's trading style, account size, and everything in between. Because trading is one thing, but playing the prop game is another thing. And for example, me today, I hit that 20 pips on that initial push up, and then it came down and it got Roger out when it wasn't doing nothing but making a bottom wick on a 5. But if he didn't trade yesterday night, he could have threw a 3 for that 20 right there. Like, it's just so many different ways to play it, but you just kind of got to do what makes sense for you. Antonio, for example, is on 25K, so like it's great that you can make 300, but boy, if you lose 4, 5, 6, oh my God, it gets bad. So you got to just kind of form fit what makes sense. When you throw ones, 150 minus don't hurt so bad, and a 200 still feel good. But we'll get this shit, bro. We definitely gonna get this shit. So, all right, bro, let's get you paid. Oh, Melinda's on already. Melinda, nice to meet you. Glad you're tapping in.
Hi, everyone. Nice to meet you. I finally got in.
Sure.
I don't know if it was my computer glitching or what, but for some reason the payment details, I couldn't enter it in. It was just blanked out and wouldn't let me do anything.
That's strange. I saw, I'm going back and forth between the chat and the charts and the chat and the chart. So when I saw it, you said you figured it out by that time already.
Yeah.
Well, Sunday, most likely, we're going to run a fundamentals and beginners Zoom and webinar. And I know you said you needed help kind of identifying stops and targets and things of that nature. Yes. But I mean, it seems like you got a good little foundation already.
Yeah, I've been doing a lot of research. I admit it's only been 30 days, but I'm really, really interested and passionate. So I've been doing a lot of research. So hopefully I don't hold you guys back. Familiar with a lot of the terminology, quick learner. But I've been doing pretty good. I've been trying to be consistent at getting $100 a day. And, I don't trade every day, but when I do get in, I've been doing pretty good with it. So hopefully I can jump in here and not hold you guys back.
Nah. I got some A+ students in here. And everybody in here just be putting in that time and work. So that's really all it takes. Excellent. Like, for example, Jamal, he's in the chat currently. He, within 30 days of joining, got a $3,000 account, a $150,000 account to $9,000 and was able to withdraw $3,500. So it's definitely doable, possible, and everything in between.
Yeah, sounds like excellence.
For sure.
That's
so
what's up.
I'm excited to grow with you, and we'll do it. I have no doubt. Antonio, you getting paid within the next week and a half, my brother. I feel it.
I feel it too, man.
What you gonna do after that? You gonna throw them 25Ks away, and you gonna get some 50s. At least. So, Melinda, we can go over different prop firms that best fit your trading style, and just kind of form fit it that way. Whether you want to be on Project X or whether you want to be on TradeCopia. It's a whole bunch of different ways we can go about it. I've essentially been able to grow because I'm now leveraging 13 accounts with one another. That's how I've been able to just keep scaling. So after I make the withdrawal today, since I just hit for another 600 on these accounts, that's all I needed to get to the payout. That'll be $27,450 in the last 24 hours. So it's a blessing for sure.
Yes, it is. That's awesome.
It's a blessing for sure. So
it is
cool.
Awesome.
Well, like I said, this has been a hell of a week with just break evens and small losses and getting it back and everything in between. So I'll be on in the WAP on Sunday. I'll probably take Monday off just as a little mental reset so I can come back and come stronger for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday of next week.
Okay. All right. I will see you all on Sunday.
So I will see y'all next week. Thank you again for joining.
Thank you.
Cool. Talk to you soon.
Yes,
all right, Tonio. See you.
Peace out.
B, Daryl, Adrian, Brandon, Chris.
Y'all have a blessed weekend, man. Be cool out there.
Yes, sir. Be easy.
See y'all Sunday.
On Tuesday.
All right.
Yep.